Hello everyone and welcome to another weekly analysis on EMini futures, Nasdaq 100 index futures looking into January 16th. And it's a shorter week and always usually on holidays week we see a breakout. Usually people are positive on those weeks and that's exactly what happened. We start on the weekly, we can see that it actually broke out of this one. It's actually also confirmed for me. Did it break out on the 17,160? Not yet, but on a weekly basis, it really has broken out from there. And this is the other level here. Not going to focus on that. I'm going to go into the 180 days. Actually, let's start with 10 years daily. And that's the breakout that we're talking about. If we focus here, it did actually break out up to the top there. So after the breakout pulled back, did not really go down. And again, that's the channel that's we are seeing there. And this is more a little bit evident at 180 days 4-hourly and do not have extended hours. So if I do this trend line here, that's exactly what happened. If you see this trend line touched here and sold off from that trend line, and then it's trying to really, at this point of time, test that. So it's a doji here, both sellers and everything. So my levels are here, 16, 19, 17, 38. So you can call that as a 40, and then obviously confirming on top of that breakout. What will I do here? Next week, as the market opens, I'll see where the market opens. I'm not in a trade because these are not my levels. If it comes down, retest this level, I may take a long. This is the trend. I want to go with the trend. So that means it goes up, moves sideways, goes up. That's what I'm expecting. And then obviously these are my levels where I'm taking profit. And I am looking for a swing here because the volume is pretty high, which you can see here on the daily charts. So if I look at here, so sell-off happened here, but look at that strong volume of push. And yes, these are two sell-off days here, but I want to go with this trend. So if it comes back, retest this one, I'll try along. Now, if that price comes here, does not bounce off and stays here, that means sellers are putting a lot of pressure here. And then I'm not taking a long at all. I'll just let it break that. And then when it retests from the bottom, it will happen in the same day, most probably. Or if it doesn't, if it retests, it's around here somewhere, I'll take a short. And then my first target would be here. That is 1050 area, and then obviously this target. Now if it breaks this one here, that's definitely a short. So this is your daily trend where it broke out, so we can just put a price level here. If it does break out here, so then for a fact then it's going down. So is this the formation of a M pattern? So can it be something like that? And then if I just copy that and put it here, it looks like an M, but it can also be something like this here. So it could be something like that, which is why I'm unsure, and I only want to take that decision after the price moves. So this is the zigzag pattern, so it can go all the way up that, but the trend is like this. So if I change that or extend this way up here, it may break out of this high here. Hence, I want to go with that trend. So bias towards the long, but if that does not happen and it comes and break these levels, then I'll switch over, reset my bias and switch over to a short video, but that's the plan. Nothing else on my levels. So pretty straightforward plan. And let's see what happens. As always, keep your stop losses tight, losses small, and profit at large. Thank you for listening.